Alright, welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming, newcomers.
I heard last time we played here, we played like a 500-seat theater or something like that. And this is like a 3,000-seat theater.
There's 500-seat theater?
Sorry.
It was a House of Blues, I think, or something.
What else is there? Where our show is?
Music hall.
House of Blues.
Oh, it was like a Dallas House of Blues.
Oh, yeah.
Also, I think we pulled it all-nighter after the Dallas show.
What?
I think we pulled it all-nighter after the last Dallas show.
Oh, me and you did?
I think I was there.
Is that with the Rice Krispie treat?
Oh no, that was Chicago. That was a good time. That was about a year ago. Wasn't it right there?
Yeah, Rocky and Rylan were there, but
Rocky and Rice Krispie treat?
I fell asleep.
Someone, can I get some tape? This is crack.
What? That's my shaker.
Dude, seriously, do you remember Chicago? And the tattoo pens?
No, he doesn't.
He has a one-track mind. If he's doing something and you're talking to him, he just won't hear you.
That's
Don't talk to
exactly, I
him.
feel that way.
Too fatty? Fatty?
No.
I know, but you know what it is? I get into this, and I don't remember the words.
Like, you memorize like a million lines in your life, you know?
I'm really good at the short-term memory part of memorizing words. Because on Austin Alley, what they would do is we'd be filming something and we'd have the whole script down, right? And then they'd be like, okay, now change this and this and this to this and this and this, and change this whole monologue to this brand new monologue and action. And we'd be like, okay, sure, we can do that. And after a while, you just get really, really good at it.
That's dope.
Yeah.
Cool. Well. Oh, God.
Good, dude.
What?
So good.
So good. There's no song.
What song do you guys want to hear today? Just shout it.
But here's the thing,
But our 5 songs.
and our 5 songs that we don't play in the show.
Here's some say your name.
Wait, what'd you say, Rayla?
I hear some sales stays.
Yo, if you want sales, stay
Play that in the
scream.
show.
If you want like Wishing I Was 23, scream.
It's not gonna work.
Sales days.
Oh, I heard
Ready,
some.
set,
I heard
go.
some. Can't say it. I heard that somewhere.
She does it. That's your jam.
Stop. I can't take it.
I'm so embarrassed.
I'm so sorry
don't
to
know.
erase that.
We were young and stupid.
I guess so.
Hey, you guys start somewhere.
Hey, that's true. You gotta start somewhere. And usually where you start with
Started from the bottom, now the whole team.
I was ready.
Yeah, cool.
Oh.
Alright, so
He's good.
you can't say I'm in love.
Yes.
a smaller applause than the other two.
Doctor.
Should I keep away?
Oh, what are we doing?
We gotta do an official like screen count.
Okay, ready? Wait, what's that song? Say You'll Stay. Can't Say I'm in Love. Wishing on a Stranger. That's what I said.
Alright, cool. Ready?
Wishing I was 23.
I gotta figure out the code.
I know, right?
Oh,
Maybe she's just.
Oh, you guys hear that? Something happened. I think it's up.
Maybe she's just seen you openly, living in a teenage fantasy, feeling there's so much we could be. She's got a wishing I was 23. She's crazy, but I don't care. She's sexy and she's a millionaire. She gets me so unfair. She's so hot, you know what I mean? Tight jeans and dogs up the dark. Think about what to say, but